Innal hamdalillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, amma ba'd. My dear brothers and sisters, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is your brother, Dr. Shafiqur Rahman, Amir of Bangladesh Jamaat Islami. Really, I am very much fortunate to speak something about our dearest and most respected brother, Sayyid Munawwar Hasan Rahimahullah, who passed away a few days back. I want to utter a verse from Furqan al-Hamid in Surah Al-Mulk. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uttered, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Alladhi khalaqal mawta wal hayata liyabluwakum ayyukum ahsanu amala, wa huwal azizul ghafur. My dear brothers, really, he was a guide, a leader, and an outstanding personality of Muslim Ummah. So he was asset of Pakistan Jamaat Islami, people of Pakistan, at the same time asset of whole Muslim Ummah. He passed away by finishing his job, who was bested from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upon him.